Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore the Orders tab, which provides information for all orders processed through ThunderTix. Let's get started. By default, the Orders page loads with the past week of orders, with the most recent shown at top. From here, you can see order IDs, customer names, comments, customer emails, the agent who processed the transaction, the event name, the order date, the payment information, and whether or not the order was paid. Searching for orders is the primary function of the Orders page, especially after your account begins to fill up with ticket sales. As you can see, the search function is very customizable. When you search by order ID, there is no need to modify the date range. However, when searching by any other criteria, you may want to add a date range to hone in on a specific time period. To change the date range, select your start date and end date. Make sure to click the search button to reload the page with your desired orders. With your date range selected, you might want to search by a particular payment method, such as customers who paid with a credit card. Select that here. It is also possible to see all orders processed on your website via Facebook or orders processed by a certain agent. Additionally, you can enter a customer's last name, first name, and/or email address to find a specific order. Furthermore, you can search for orders for only certain events or packages. There are also several options here that allow you to see only declined orders, reserved orders, or only orders that include a customer comment. If you click on the order ID of a declined order, you can see the reason your payment gateway declined that order. Now, lastly, these two options allow you to see the payment summary and ticket totals for all the orders found from your search criteria. The payment summary provides quick sums broken out by payment type, which is especially helpful to determine how much cash was received during a staff member's shift. You can see the totals of each payment type, the total numbers of tickets sold, refunded, reserved, and canceled reservations, as well as the number of comped tickets. To view more details, click on an order ID. This will take you here, where you can see a breakdown of the order, including all tickets, ticket types, seat numbers, pricing, coupons applied, and more. In the upper right corner, you can print out the e-tickets, or hard tickets for those that have thermal ticket printers connected. The customer's information is listed here. You can see the customer's answers to your survey questions from the purchase or post-event emails here and here. Customer comments made during the purchase, as well as administrative comments made during or after the purchase, are visible here. You can also add additional comments at any time by clicking this button. Clicking on the I will take you to the customer's record, which includes all purchasing history, any notes, and more. Also, you can edit the customer's name or address in case it was entered incorrectly. The View Delivery Statistics button displays the delivery statistics for the order emails, email reminders, and post-event emails. Each email sent shows the specific times they were sent, received, and opened, in addition to bounced emails for various reasons. Since emails can often be lost or looked over, here you can easily resend the confirmation email to the customer or send it to a different email address. Watch our separate video tutorial to learn how to use these options for exchanging tickets, refunding tickets, or voiding an order altogether. Further down, you can see all the ticket barcodes for this order, whether they were scanned, who scanned them, as well as when they were scanned. For primary users, you also have the ability to unscan a previously scanned ticket. You might want to take this action if you've accidentally scanned a ticket for testing our mobile scanner apps, or when a customer is exiting your event with expectations to re-enter. Alright, you successfully learned all about the Orders tab. If you have any more questions, be sure to take a look at our other tutorial videos, how-to guides, or visit our support forum. Thank you for watching.